Hey dudes, it's me. Can you believe that my dad's actually making me go to the Scouts? So today, you know what I'm gonna do? That's right, you heard me. I'm going to stick up to my dad in Mortal Kombat. But we are going to do this in first-person view. Hey dad. Hey son. I don't want to be in the Scouts anymore. What? This calls for tragic moment. Mortal Kombat! What? Okay. Oh, you like that? You like that? Fine, transformation! I transformed. Oh yeah. Okay, Dad. You're so fat. What do you want? You want some of this? Yeah, I won.